We stopped in Gotsatl village after a busy day traveling around Dagestan. And how it was. In the morning, the picturesque Ergonai reservoir opened up before us. Then walks along the Karadagh gorge, fascinated with its mystery. Urbage conquered our receptors. Apricots surprised with their numerous presents along the roadside. In Gotsatl we were greeted as dear guests, and the owner of the guest house, Zainab, cordially told us the history of this village. We had a pleasant long conversation with her daughter Shemai. It's great to meet a good person.